party people. Yes, it's completely different vibe right here than it is for the rest of the video, but I wanted to introduce myself because you guys don't know me and I literally don't know you guys. So a little bit about me. My name is Kori Parker. I'm a sophomore business management major and journalism minor here at Temple. I'm from DMV area, specifically Northern Virginia, so shout out DMV. What else? I have a younger brother. I'm trying to think. Oh, when it comes to what I'm involved here at Temple, I'm the executive producer and a co-host for Temple's weekday morning radio show, Wake Up Call. I'm the entertainment director for WHIP Radio, which is Temple's radio station. I'm a student vlogger, hence why we're here. I'm a student ambassador for the business school. I'm an intern at the developmental office, and then I'm a secretary for the Black Student Union, or the secretary for the Black Student Union, and then I'm an in-game host and public announcer for Temple Sports. That's ridiculous. Saying it out loud makes me realize how insane that is. But anyway, that's a little bit about me. You guys are about to join me as I take you guys through a day in my life for my first day of classes. So yes, thank you guys and enjoy the video. Bye. Good morning. It's 8:34. My first class not until 11. So I'm gonna go back to sleep for a little bit because I'm so tired. And it's giving low-key 15 more minutes. She's gonna get up now. It's 9:37. Class starts at 11. I need to leave at 10:45. But first, allergy medicine. I literally have terrible allergies. And when I forget my allergy medicine, it's literally a wrap for the day. Let's go make my bed, go to the bathroom, and then wash my face and do my makeup. I already picked out my outfit. Let me show you. Is it giving? And then it's a little dress situation. And then these shoes. Yes. I think it's giving. If it's not giving, I don't care. I'm still wearing it. So let's go, people. Final product. Very cutesy. Very classy. Very demure. Yes. Let's brush his teeth. Hold, please. Not my toothbrush literally being here. That's embarrassing. Remember how I told you guys stinky breath is not an option? And remember how I told you non-white teeth aren't an option either? 1 for breath, 1 for whitening. So we're gonna go in with the breath one first, 30 seconds, and then we'll go in with the whitening one, 30 seconds. I'm gonna take the whitening one now, and then I'm gonna go get something for my snack. Ooh, lighting? Where? Lighting here? Okay, but let's talk about how I'm feeling. Like, first day of classes, how am I feeling? I'm excited. It still is like crazy. It still hasn't hit me that I'm literally a whole like sophomore. Like, what? Why am I a sophomore in college, bro? Like, why am I a sophomore? That makes absolutely no sense. Time really flies, yo. If you're in high school right now, just remember I said that. Like, time really flies. My parents always were like, time really flies, Kori. I know. Like, I knew that, but I didn't know that. You know what I'm saying? And now I know that. Because why do I only have, okay, not including this year, 2 years left of college? That's ridiculous. And it's like crazy to me because there's like so many things I want to do, so many things I want to accomplish in college. And because it's going so fast, it's like, oh my gosh, will I even have time to do that? Will I have time to do what I need to do and want to do, you know, before I actually like graduate? That's cute, I guess. Let's put on some mascara. Mascara ever. Through these videos because what? Like, why am I crazy? But yeah, let's put on my outfit. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm wearing and then we'll go from there. I feel like this is low-key cuter. Is this cute? Should I put on my blessed earrings? For breakfast today, you guys, I'm getting a container of fruit. And this will consist of some grapes, some blueberries, cute container. What? It is going to be pink as well.
I'm literally so nervous. Partially because I don't know anyone who's in my class. Last year I had friends in my class. This year I don't. Why is there a whole line to get into this building? That's ridiculous.
Okay, so a little update on everything. I came back from my risk management class. It was actually really interesting. My teacher he's definitely strict, but I think it's a good type of strict. Like, he doesn't allow technology in the class. We can only use paper. And I think that'll be really good for me because I'm someone that gets easily distracted. So the fact that he's making it so we really have to pay attention is something I'm honestly really looking forward to as someone that gets easily distracted. Something else. What else? Oh, I literally dropped my AirPod in the toilet after I went to the bathroom. Yeah, I literally combusted because what the heck? That is like, so now I'm cleaning her with Clorox. I'm back at the door. I'm gonna get something to eat real quick because I'm really hungry. Okay, so welcome to Cooking with Kori. Today we are making some turkey meatballs and an egg. An over easy egg, to be specific.
Why should I low-key popping? I want to try being like a real chef and like trying to flip it like they do. You think I can do it? I feel like it's gonna split if I do that. Ooh, she's burning. We have an over easy egg, some turkey meatballs with some, like, what is that, red sauce, and a kale salad. Lunch of a champion, yes. Okay, so my classes are finally done. Literally blessed because I'm tired. Yes, I'm wearing a hoodie. It's literally freezing in these buildings. But now I'm going to take a nap.
Okay, so I'm back in the dorm. I'm now gonna do a little haul because I got some Amazon packages, and why not? I don't know what any of this stuff is. My mom ordered me some stuff, and so I don't know which is which. What? Oh, the tension rod. A microphone, you guys, to make the sound better on my phone. Yeah, this works. Let's test it out.
How does this sound? Does this sound better? Guys, is this tea? I can't really tell if it's on. Maybe it sounds better for you guys. I don't know. What?
I want to give you guys a little bit of like a day recap. How do I feel? First day of classes is done. What? I'm gonna say I would rate it a 7 out of 10. Why? I dropped my AirPod in the toilet, so that made it bad. And 2, I did not get good sleep last night, so I was low-key super tired. And so that, I feel like, made this day harder than it needed to be. But generally speaking, it was a great day. I was able to meet some cool people. I was really adulting. I made breakfast on my own. I made a healthy lunch. Like, look at that. Like, what? She was so beautiful and tasty and healthy. Mama always says, girl, you're living on your own now. You need to be able to fend for yourself. And I fended for myself. So, mother, I hope you're proud of me. But yeah, I would say it was good. I think my classes are going to be okay. What else? Yeah, I'm looking forward, honestly, to the class with my strict professor, solely because I know I'm someone that gets distracted easily. So not having any technology, I think, will be great for me. I'm a little bit scared for my MIS class because I hear there's a little bit of coding and I don't know nor want to code, but I digress. I'll deal. But yeah, I would say 7 out of 10. I know what I'm gonna do better, and that includes going to bed earlier and just getting more consistent with my routine, and also probably just eating breakfast before I leave, but we'll see. But yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. Let me know what you guys want to see. Make sure to follow, like, subscribe to Temple's YouTube channel. Also follow Temple's Instagram. You guys can also follow my Instagram as well. So if you guys have any questions, you can literally DM me and I'll respond, or maybe I'll make a video on it. Right? But yes, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope to see you guys next video. Will you be here? Whoa, my hair is busted. You better. But listen, I'll see you guys later. Have a great rest of your day and peace.